Have you noticed how often learners only say, "You're welcome," when someone thanks them?
Oh, yes. It's like the standard answer. But actually, English has so many other natural responses.
Exactly. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Talkino English class. This is Mobina.
And I'm Jack.
The first one is the classic, "You're welcome," always safe, always polite.
Number 2, no problem.
Thanks for helping me with my homework.
No problem.
Number 3 is anytime, very friendly. Thanks for giving me a lift.
Anytime. Number 4, of course. Thanks for answering my questions. Of course.
Number 5 is sure thing, very American. Thanks for covering my shift.
Sure thing. Number 6, no worries. Thanks for letting me know about the meeting.
No worries. Number 7 is that's all right. Thanks for waiting for me.
That's all right. Number 8, it's nothing or no big deal. Thanks for fixing my computer.
No big deal. Number 9 is absolutely. Thanks for lending me your notes.
Absolutely. And number 10, my pleasure. Works both casually and semi-formally. Thanks for making dinner.
My pleasure. Now let's move to more formal ones. Number 1 is you're very welcome. Thank you for your advice.
You're very welcome. Number 2 is I'm happy to help. Thanks for assisting me with the report.
I'm happy to help. Number 3 is it's my pleasure. Thanks for arranging the meeting.
It's my pleasure. Number 4 is glad I could help. Thanks for fixing the printer.
Glad I could help. Number 5 is always a pleasure. Thanks for your support.
Always a pleasure. Number 6 is I'm glad I could be of assistance. Very professional. Thank you for guiding me through the process.
I'm glad I could be of assistance. Number 7 is you're most welcome. Thanks for sending the documents.
You're most welcome. Number 8, I'm pleased I could help. Thank you for your time.
I'm pleased I could help. Number 9 is happy to be of service, often used in customer service. Thanks for your quick response.
Happy to be of service. And number 10 is delighted I could help. Very polite and formal. Thanks for organizing everything.
Delighted I could help. So now we have 20 different ways to say you're welcome.
Yeah, this way we don't have to repeat the same phrase again and again.
Use the informal ones with friends and the formal ones in professional situations.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. We hope you found this lesson helpful.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English tips.
And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.
Also, leave a comment below telling us which new way to say you're welcome you'll try first.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.